Hi, I'm Liz, a registered dietitian at the Cincinnati VA. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry walnut salad with a red wine vinaigrette dressing. This is one of my favorites, especially in the summertime. It's full of flavor and takes just a few minutes to make. One thing a lot of people don't realize is how simple it can be to make your own salad dressing. When you make your own salad dressing, you get to control all the ingredients that go into it. And so if you're trying to watch the amount of sodium that you're consuming, or you prefer different spices and herbs, you can make those adjustments. So let's get started with this recipe. After washing your hands, the first thing we're going to do for this recipe is prepare the salad dressing. To do so, we're going to first take 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of our red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Splenda or sugar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and then 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. So once all our ingredients are in this small bowl, we're going to simply whisk this together until it's well blended. And there you have your completed red wine vinaigrette dressing. Next, we're going to make the salad. So to do so, you're going to take your mixed greens or your baby spinach and you're going to place these into a large bowl. These are already pre-washed. So we have our greens. Set this aside. Today we're going to be using strawberries for this recipe, but you could easily use apples or another fruit that you enjoy and might have on hand. In all, we'll need about a cup of strawberries, and we're going to slice them all so they're about 1/4 inch thick. So we're going to take our strawberries and then place them in the bowl with the spinach greens. Next, to add to this salad, we're going to use 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts, and then 1/2 cup of feta cheese. You could also use blue cheese or goat cheese. My flavor preference is for feta, so that's what we're using today. To complete this recipe, we're going to take our mixed greens and we're going to pour over them our vinaigrette dressing. We're going to toss this until equally coated and so that all ingredients have a good amount of dressing on them. If you're making this recipe ahead of time, you'll actually want to keep the salad dressing separate from the greens until just prior to use. All right, so once it's ready to serve, you're going to dish it up and we're going to enjoy. Here's a recap of why we love this recipe. First, it's delicious and takes just a few minutes to make. Second, it's low in sodium and rich in heart-healthy fats within our walnuts and our olive oil. And third, it's an excellent way to get fruits and vegetables together in one simple dish. We hope you enjoyed cooking with us today. If you'd like more information about our nutrition classes, please call extension 6309. We very much look forward to working with you in the future.